Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious yogurt bagels from scratch. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of self-rising flour, 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, and a ½ teaspoon of baking powder. Don't forget a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavor. We'll also prepare 1 egg for an egg wash and your preferred toppings, like sesame seeds or everything bagel seasoning. This recipe is surprisingly easy and yields 4 perfect bagels. Now, let's get our hands dirty and prepare the dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine your 1½ cups of self-rising flour, the ½ teaspoon of baking powder, and the 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add the 1 cup of Greek yogurt, mixing with a spoon until a shaggy dough begins to form. Then, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 5 to 8 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for a great bagel texture. With our dough ready, it's time to shape these into perfect bagels. Divide your smooth dough into 4 equal portions. Take each portion and roll it into a rope about 8 to 10 inches long. Connect the ends to form a bagel shape, ensuring the hole is about 1 inch wide. Place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Brush each bagel generously with the egg wash and sprinkle with your chosen toppings. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. After about 20 to 25 minutes, your kitchen will be filled with the aroma of freshly baked bagels. They should be beautifully golden brown and firm to the touch. Carefully remove them from the oven and transfer them to a wire rack to cool for at least 10 minutes. This cooling time is important for the texture to set. Once slightly cooled, slice them open and enjoy with a generous smear of cream cheese, butter, or your favorite spread. Enjoy your homemade yogurt bagels.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.